Good
Me,
afternoon. How are you today?
I'm getting be better after I'm first trial on Thursday and result alhamdulillah great.
Okay, you had passed your first trial,
Yeah,
first thesis, undergraduate thesis examination, right?
yeah,
Okay.
right. How about you, Miss?
Okay. I'm also doing great. Yeah, I have met my lecturer yesterday. So I got him signed in my recommendation letter. So
Um,
yeah, I get
great,
it. I got it. Okay.
great news.
Yeah, so now we're going to do some speaking, right? We do some
Yeah,
speaking and also uh, any mispronunciation or maybe if any misformed word or sentence, I will correct you. So, for this batch, actually, this is still the last batch, right? We still have 2 meetings today.
yeah,
So, but for the next batch, I will let you to write and also speak in English more often because we haven't get any writing section in our last batch, right? Jadi kita
yeah.
belum banyak latihan tentang writing ya. Untuk itu, untuk batch selanjutnya, nanti kita akan fokus ke 2 skill aktif, yaitu speaking dan juga writing.
Okay,
Gitu. Jadi kita akan speaking di kelas, lalu nanti untuk writingnya akan jadi PR. Nanti akan dibahas di pertemuan selanjutnya sambil speaking kayak gitu.
okay.
Oke, jadi
Oh
di
ya,
batch
Miss.
ini kita mantepin, gimana?
Oh ya, enggak, nanti aja.
Oke, untuk batch ini kita targetnya adalah intermediate ya. Jadi sampai
Okay.
selesai intermediate, habis itu nanti kan gampang Kak Firna misalnya mau ambil TOEFL untuk kelulusan dan segala macam itu udah nggak ngoyo lagi. Udah oke, udah tinggal bisa belajar sendiri juga bisa atau misalnya masih mau dibimbing juga masih bisa gitu. Ya,
Yes.
gimana ada pertanyaan?
Uh, nggak ada sih Kak untuk pertanyaan, but I have finished watching this video,
Oke,
yeah, your
I
provide
recommended to
provided,
you.
yeah, and I made a summary in the point for this video.
Sorry, I can't hear your voice.
Oh,
Can you repeat
okay.
sentence?
You can hear my voice.
Yeah, I can hear it now. Okay.
So I finished watch this video and I have uh, make made summary this video.
Okay.
Four
Okay,
step.
you made a summary. First step, what is it?
The first step, simple and tips the wording ahead translating in English. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
right. Start simple and object around in close.
Start
in-
from the simple object around you.
yeah, around it.
Yes. Start from the simple object around you. Start describing ya, mulai mendeskripsikan objek di sekitar kita.
Yeah.
Start describing object around you. Okay. And then the next tips.
And then focus in object and hear native speaker
Mhm. Okay,
and
focus on object and hear native speaker. Okay, listening ya, berarti.
yeah, listening.
And
Uh,
then,
think simple sentences like I'm working, I'm sleeping, and another conversation. And the last step, I write, have small conversation with yourself and change of your everyday life things to English.
yeah, great. We can talk out loud like this, or maybe we can talk within our head. Jadi bisa ngomong di dalam kepala. Itu kan dicontohin di situ kayak dia mau nyuci. Okay, I will
Yeah.
take the clothes. I will put the clothes on the washing machine kayak gitu. Ya bisa. And then, how about it? Do you do the tips in your daily life?
Mm, I think I can try the first time now,
Mm-mm.
but
Okay.
the yesterday rest after trial
Oh,
every
you still
time.
take a
Take a
rest. You
rest,
still
yeah,
take a rest.
yeah.
Okay, yeah, it has to be a daily it has to be a daily behavior ya. Jadi harus dikerjakan setiap hari, konsisten. Because English learning language in general is about persistence. Tentang konsistensi dan persistensi. Jadi by learning language, any languages beside our mother tongue, it's just about the time, about how we can keep it up in our daily activity. Gitu. Jadi nggak bisa belajar semalaman gitu, nggak bisa. Makanya kalau misalnya ada bilang les TOEFL atau les IELTS cukup 1 minggu sebelum tes, berarti dia tuh sebenarnya udah ada basic Inggrisnya. Cuman tinggal belajar tentang strategi-strategi, mengulang lagi soal-soalnya kayak apa kayak gitu. Bukan tentang dari nol 1 bulan les terus apa nggak bisa. Impossible, nggak mungkin. Nggak mungkin ada. Dia pasti punya basic bahasanya. Nah itu makanya harus minimal intermediate. Minimal kita dengar sesuatu, kita baca sesuatu tuh udah ngerti. Gitu. Baru habis itu bisa belajar ke tesnya. Okay, Firna. So, do you have any topics, any interesting topic that we will talk about today?
Before I'm start the topic, can I ask something for
Yeah,
this video?
yeah, of course.
Kemarin tadi tuh aku baca dengerin dari videonya, terus ada bacaan ya Yoglis is a great resource for this. Nah, Yoglis itu apa ya, Miss? Soalnya aku nyari juga gak ada artinya.
Tulisannya apa ya? Sebentar.
Ntar
Wait,
aku
wait, wait.
tulis ya di sini.
Coba tulis. Kayaknya itu kayak website gitu deh kok filmnya ya.
Yoglis is a great resource.
Youglish. Ya, it's a great resource for this. Resource tuh artinya kayak sumber.
Ya,
Resource. Kalau misalnya sumber daya alam, natural resources. Jadi
natural.
resource itu biasanya sumber atau material belajar kalau di sini berarti di terjemahannya. Youglish berarti mungkin kayak kayak nah
Application.
ini aplikasi ya. Pronunciation. Oh, I know. I think. Jadi kayak tentang aplikasi terus kita dikasih jenis contoh-contoh conversation in real life gitu sih kayaknya.
Oh
Oh,
ya,
I
ya.
know this. Jadi ini kayak kita misalnya cari tasty food gitu. Nanti dia akan ngasih kita video yang berhubungan dengan tasty food, terus kita dengar
Oh,
pronunciation-nya gitu.
oh iya.
Nah,
Soalnya di videonya
jadi,
juga sempat jelasin tentang komputer, jadi nanti
nah,
conversation
jadi
komputer
kita,
muncul semua.
ya jadi kita itu tipsnya itu adalah kalau misalnya kita nemu vocab itu sebenarnya nggak akan nggak akan bisa nempel di kepala kita kalau kita nggak tahu konteksnya. Kalau kita nggak tahu konteksnya, misalnya kita tasty food, oh apa yang tasty food makanan yang enak gitu. Tapi kita nggak tahu konteksnya gimana cara menggunakannya. Nanti itu tuh nggak akan bertahan lama di otak kita. Nah ini kayak misalnya kita tasty food, terus ada video. Ini seeking pleasure like tasty food gitu, mencari kesenangan seperti dengan makanan yang enak gitu. Kita bisa dengar di
A
sini dia
number of
ngomongnya.
other discoveries, finding specific neural circuits that can elicit dramatic
Nah di
changes
sini
in
ada
animal behavior. Here's another
tulisannya
example,
juga.
compulsive overeating. We can eat for two reasons, seeking pleasure, like tasty food, or
Gitu. Jadi, oh gitu cara pronunciasinya dan juga kita akhirnya belajar konteksnya. Oh, bisa dipakai di sini.
Oke.
Ini bagus sih apa websitenya Youglish. Jadi kita bisa nyari ini juga bisa mau yang American accent atau yang British accent atau
Oke.
yang Australian accent. Bisa dicari di sini. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Ini akan enak belajarnya kalau misalnya kita tadi udah di level intermediate. Jadi kita nggak yang kayak mengawang banget. Kita sekalian dengerin konten dalam bahasa Inggris. Gitu. Nah, bisa
Oke.
sebenarnya kita tuh cepat meningkatkan kemampuan bahasa yaitu tapi harus konsisten. Harus konsisten. Kayak setiap hari nggak boleh ada jeda untuk belajar bahasa Inggris sendiri. Ya, jadi sekarang kita fokus ke conversation. Coba, what the topic that we will learn today? Do you have any question?
Mm,
Any question?
uh,
Any suggestion?
I think about a job because
Job,
after
okay, huh?
yeah, after college I want to go working.
Okay, job after college.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very interesting for the student that has reached the final semester, right? Final semester before graduation. It's very crucial to talk about job or what will we do after the college. So,
Mm.
if your plan, do you have any plan right after graduation?
I think I have many plan, but the goals I want to fly. I want to be flight attendant.
Mhm.
But uh, if I don't have apa ya recruiter, I want
Mhm.
yeah I want to work anything I do.
I don't have recruiter. What do you want to talk
Kalau
about?
kalau misalkan belum ada apa ya info interviewnya, aku coba-coba yang ada aja gitu, Miss.
It's about recruitment.
Oh, right.
Recruitment. Bukan recruiter. Recruiter itu yang merekrut.
Recruitment.
Kalau ini recruitment, perekrutan atau pengangkatan pegawai gitu. Recruitment.
Ya.
Atau if I don't have um atau bisa juga if I if I don't find any vacancy. Vacancy sini artinya lowongan. Jadi sebenarnya tuh job vacancy gitu, tapi bisa juga kita ngomongnya vacancy. Ini loker, job vacancy. So if I don't accept, bukan accept, receive any interview call. Kalau aku tidak menerima panggilan interview, panggilan wawancara,
Ya.
I will do anything that
I will do.
that I can. Itu bisa. Aku akan melakukan semua hal yang aku bisa.
Okay.
Okay, what's about your flight attendance plan? What have you
Sorry,
prepared
Miss.
for that? How about your flight attendance plan? Do you have prepared anything about that position?
I
Can you hear my
think
voice?
yes, I hear. I think I have learned in flight attendant. I'm learn in English. Halo, Miss.
Okay, yeah, I can hear your voice now. Okay,
Okay.
do you think?
I learn English and I prepare grooming
Mhm.
and I think I'm learn about service excellence because in flight attendant we
Okay.
have service client better.
Mhm. We have to serve. Gitu, we have to serve. Jadi harus diubah ke kata kerja, serve.
Oh.
Serve bisa kayak melayani dengan baik itu serve the best hospitality. Hospitality itu kayak pelayanan gitu.
Okay.
Hospitality. We have to serve the best hospitality for the customer atau the passenger.
Yeah, passenger. Okay.
Yeah. Passenger, sorry, pakai ya. Passenger,
Passenger.
penumpang. Oh, but have you looked up about the information? Maybe with the flight attendant school. You have to do that first, right? You have to
Oh,
enroll to the school first
uh,
or not?
I have been try uh, mendaftar tuh apa ya Miss, lupa.
Mendaftar bisa apply, bisa
Oh ya,
enroll,
I have been
register bisa.
apply in flight attendant on
Mhm.
on 2019,
Oh, 2019.
but I'm filed.
Okay. Is it the school, the academic, right?
No, I try in company.
Oh, you apply in the company.
Yeah, but I
Okay.
filed because I'm not prepared very well.
Because you had not prepared very well.
Yeah, you
Oke,
had.
di sini
I
tadi
had.
aku udah daftar di tahun 2019 ya.
Ya,
Pakainya
udah
bukan
coba.
have been. Kalau have been itu dari dulu sampai sekarang masih dilakukan.
Ya lupa.
I have been
I had.
applying. Karena kan berarti ya bener I had.
I had.
I had applied.
I had applied in
Atau bisa juga
2020.
langsung I applied. I
I
applied
applied
in 2019.
2019.
I applied in the flight company, bisa gitu, in the flight company in
In flight.
2019.
Okay.
Bisa pakai apply, enroll, register. Artinya sama.
Apply,
Mendaftar.
enroll, register.
I registered in 2019. I enrolled in 2019. Oh
Okay.
yeah, is it the domestic flight or it's the multinational company?
Domestic.
Oh, domestic. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually being a flight attendant, like I love hospitality. I've been a license officer for some times, like many change. And it's about hospitality, how we guided the guests, something like that. And I really love that work. And actually, I also have like a little dream to be a flight attendant because I really like to see them when they doing their job. So yeah, it's very interesting. And I have followed the Instagram. They work with Saudi
Arabia.
Island. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
Saudi
the
Arabia.
Saudi Arabia Island. And I have taken that flight once when I go to Jeddah.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's pretty cool. The Saudi Airways or Island? I'm not sure. That's Saudi Island. Yeah, they often take the recruitment from Indonesia and maybe another ASEAN country with the majority of
Yeah.
Muslim because they need it much. They need a they need a great amount of flight attendants for their islands, right? Especially in the Muslim country like Indonesia.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, Saudi, and they often get a recruitments if you interesting in these airlines, maybe you have to try it
Yeah,
because they have like many Indonesian track in their stuff.
I'm following this account about many information recruiting Saudi Arabia, but aku belum berani buat coba karena in the rules we must fluent English very well, but not
Okay.
because recruiter in Jeddah, jadi dari Jeddahnya langsung.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah, the recruiter is from Jeddah and they have like a third party atau partai ketiga, orang ketiga gitu, which is Indonesian company. So
Yeah.
we can register through the Indonesian company, but the interviewer will be from their airlines, their company, which is Arabic person.
Yeah. But this
Yeah, but
year,
still it's pretty
yeah. But this
This
year,
year?
in Saudi Arabia itu udah apa? Buka loker lebih dari 3 kali aku lihat dari tahun kemarin.
Oh, okay. Also, it's maximum like 3 times.
Yeah, I think so. But the first, but the information yesterday, I think, they recruit again for flight
Mm.
attendant.
Yeah. Oh, they have like in-flight service and flight attendants. I think that's two different things, right? Yeah. If from my knowledge, as far as I know, like they open the recruitment very often.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe it's like 3 or 4 times a year. So yeah, you have to like prepare yourself because the opportunity is open very broad. Like we have to like take every change that we have, right? So we don't know, who knows, like maybe it's your way. So we have to like just prepare ourselves better, and for that we can get another opportunity too. And the like the ultimate, not the ultimate way, but the common way to get that opportunity is by learning the language, which is English,
Yeah,
right?
language. Right.
So that's why like we have to push ourselves in our 20s, di umur yang 20 tahunan ini, karena saat krusial tuh mulai di umur yang segini.
Iya,
That's why
betul,
we have
Miss.
to like push ourselves. 2 times a week for English class is very inadequate. It's not enough yet. Twice a week, and it's just 2 hours. It's not enough. Learning language is need everyday practice, not just 2 hours practice, right? So it's your choice to how you can improve your skill in English, because yeah, it's very important,
Yeah.
especially in this hospitality service. Let's say you don't need to be a flight attendant, but maybe you can be like the work in the hospital. Work in the hotel for the hospitality, the international hotel. They also need like something for serve the customer, but they have to be fluent in English because they have many international customer, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, it gets tired, and I think I can't do this anymore because I've been learning English for so long, but my skill hasn't improved yet. But you have to remember that your dream is still far away there, and you have to do whatever it takes to reach your dream. Okay?
Amin. Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, so besides being flight attendants, do you have the short-term goal? It's like a long-term, because yeah, it's still, maybe it takes time after your graduation, and then you have to do some interview or search for some company. What is your short-term goal? Let's say this year,
Yeah.
or within this year. Do you have any
Sorry,
short-term
Miss,
goal?
can you repeat your say?
Okay.
But
Okay, I will repeat my saying. So
yeah,
we have talked about our like a job plan. Our job plan, right, is the long-term goal or rencana jangka panjang. Long-term goal. Rencana jangka panjang.
I think I have long-term goal. I want to be apa, wanita karir apa ya, Miss?
Okay, so my way of thinking, your long-term goal is be the flight attendants, or yeah, doing a job, right? Doing a job, right? But before we reach this goal, we have to do a short-term goal, maybe like within this year. Mungkin kayak goal jangka pendek yang mau kita raih di tahun ini. Kok ini kan mungkin butuh 2-3 tahun yang akan datang, right? Like attendance or yeah, you say like working woman
Working woman.
ini kan butuh waktu panjang, kayak
Ya.
misalnya 5-10 tahun.
Kalau short
Nah,
term
kalau
goal,
misalnya yang short term ini gitu atau beberapa bulan ini, do you have any short term goal?
short term goalnya eh bingung
My
ya
short
gimana
term
cara
goal
mengukur.
is, jadi short term goal itu berarti apa yang kita bisa lakukan untuk meraih the long term goal.
Ah,
My short term goal is
don't
atau
stop.
are kalau mau banyak.
Short term goalnya don't stop learning about uh, flight attendant world because if we uh, realize the long term goal, we must learning step by step every time and consistent for uh, mencapai tujuan itu,
Reach
reach goal.
to reach the goal.
Ya,
Okay,
reach.
yeah. So what things that you have to prepare? What things you have to learn?
I think we must learn not just academic atau or step by step in flight attendant world, but we must learn with other friends, with teachers about a life, because in flight attendant world itu not just service about they they need, but apa ya, we jadi nggak cuman ngelayanin aja kan gitu, nggak cuman melayani setiap orang atau apapun, tapi pembelajaran dari setiap kehidupannya juga harus dipelajarin, jadi biar keaplikasiin langsung. Dan kalau misalkan dari aplikasinya natural, jadi nanti pencapaian secara panjangnya juga bakalan jadi lebih baik gitu, Miss.
Okay, misalnya long-term goalnya is be the working woman. So short-term goal, I will improve my skill.
Improve
My skill, maybe like in language maybe. Atau soft skillnya misalnya critical thinking. Contohnya gitu. Jadi long term, short term goal ini dia step by step yang tadi yang mau kita lakukan untuk mencapai tujuan. Nah, itu harus dijabarkan. Jadi nggak yang deskriptif aja kayak tadi, tapi kita harus dibedah lagi satu-satu. Apa aja yang harus ditingkatkan kalau mau jadi flight attendant sebenarnya. Keep our body fit. Keep our body fit. Jadi kita harus menjaga tubuh kita agar tetap fit, agar tetap ideal. Itu kan termasuk short term goal. Okay, by the end of this year, I have to keep my body fit, maintenance my diet, menjaga makan, and get a routine workout, tetap workout secara rutin. Nah, itu adalah short term goal namanya. Untuk mencapai yang di atas. And I will improve my skill in language. So by the end of this year, akhir tahun ini gitu, by the end of this year, I will get my TOEFL score by minimum score 500 kayak gitu. Jadi ada targetnya. Itu namanya short term goal. So I have to improve my skill in language, improve my soft skill, like critical thinking, kayak gitu. Networking tadi ya, yang tadi ngomong ke orang-orang yang lebih profesional, ngomong ke orang-orang yang emang bekerja di bidangnya. Networking namanya. Do the networking. Do the networking and keep my body fit. Mempertahankan tubuh yang sehat. Itu short term, targetnya. Something like that. Okay. Yeah, so I will ask you once more. Do you have short-term goal? Like, do you have any target to reach something in this within this year?
For short term goal ya,
Or short term,
term.
term. Yeah, term.
Short term goal is selain yang di sini kan ya, Miss?
Boleh juga sebenarnya di sini, tapi nanti dijelasin lagi targetnya apa. Jadi, I will improve my language skill in language. Targetnya adalah ini.
Short term goal improve my skill in language because I want apply in international cabin crew
Mhm.
and apa lagi ya? Short term improving my language skill.
With the targetnya apa? Targetnya harus terukur. Targetnya adalah
Improving my language skill
Bisa.
with the target is apply the international cabin crew.
Oke. Targetnya tuh bukan karena mau mendaftar ke international cabin crew, tapi lebih ke with the target. With the target, I can speak fluently with my friends,
Oh,
kayak
iya.
gitu. Jadi targetnya, pengukurnya tuh itu. Oh, aku udah bisa fluent.
Oh ya, berarti my short term goal is improving my language skill with the target. I want fluent English because my dream I must talking
can
in
speak
other
fluently.
fluently.
With the target, I can speak fluently by the end of this year. Jadi, kalau diterjemahkan, goal jangka pendekku adalah meningkatkan skill
Meningkatkan skill
bahasa.
bahasa.
Dengan target, aku bisa ngomong secara lancar di akhir tahun ini. Jadi terukur. Oh, aku bisa ngomong lancar di akhir tahun ini. Berarti step-step yang akan dilakukan adalah yang pertama ya tadi misalnya melakukan 4 tips itu setiap hari. Tuh. Terus yang lain misalnya nonton drama tapi subtitlenya Inggris. Nah, itu namanya step by step. Nah, tapi akhirnya short term-nya terukur. Oh, berarti akhir tahun ini dia harus bisa ngomong lancar. Itu cara merencanakan masa depan. Jadi ada short term sama long term goal.
Oke, Miss.
Yang penting adalah measurable. Measurable itu to measure apa? To measure.
Menekankan.
I measure the length. Mengukur.
Oh, mengukur.
I measure the length of the floor with ruler atau with the ruler dengan penggaris. Gitu. Jadi harus terukur. Measurable dapat diukur. Measurable. Kalau ada able-able-nya di belakang ini berarti bisa. Drinkable bisa diminum. Drawable bisa digambar. Apa lagi? Bukan eatable dia banyak menyebutnya. Edible. Kalau eatable kan sebenarnya bisa dimakan kan artinya. Karena sini ada eat, makan, able bisa. Tapi kalau eat, khusus untuk eat itu namanya edible. Bisa dimakan tuh edible. It's edible. Bisa dimakan.
Edible.
Measurable. Apalagi yang pakai able ya. Pokoknya kalau ketemu ada able di belakangnya berarti bisa. Nah, kita ada bilang tidak bisa itu kan disable.
Disable ya.
Itu kan tidak. Berarti ketidakbisaan untuk melakukan sesuatu.
Tidak bisa ya.
Disable.
Oke.
Measurable. Okay, yeah, it's a pretty pretty hard question, a pretty hard conversation about the job plan, future plan. Yeah, I also still like searching for the meaning of this life actually. So I still want to reach my next goal. So yeah, for me, it's pretty hard to talk about this because I also
Yeah.
still in this stage. Yeah, I also still in this stage. So yeah, we are in the same shoes. Ini idiom. We are in the same shoes. Atau we wear gitu bisa. We are atau we wear
We were.
the same shoes. Kalau we wear nggak usah pakai in. We wear the same shoes atau we are in the same boat juga bisa. Kita ada di tempat yang sama, di stage yang sama. Ini idiom. Jadi kayaknya di lagu Korea ada kayak put yourself in her shoes. Gitu.
We
Maksudnya
were.
adalah coba kamu posisikan dirimu menjadi dia. Put yourself in the shoes. Shoes di sini tuh melambangkan kayak posisi gitu.
We were
Posisi.
in the same shoes.
We are in the same boat itu juga kita satu apa ya?
Satu
Gimana ya?
tempat.
Kayak satu tempat atau satu misalnya dia jatuh kita juga jatuh kayak gitu. We are in the same boat. Jadi kayak bukan
Sat-
lawan satu
Satu
sama lain tapi
nasib.
kita tuh satu nasib ya, satu nasib benar.
Satu
We are in the same boat tuh kita satu nasib. Ini
We
idiom
are.
ya. Ini juga natural kalau misalnya conversation terus misalnya ada teman yang curhat terus kita bilang oh ya I am in the same boat as you. We are in the same boat. Kita sama loh gitu. So it's okay.
Good.
We are in the
Shoes
same
are
boat.
same boat.
Ini
Okay.
idiom ya.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will talk about something funny or something enjoyable. Do you watch any movie or maybe do you want to watch something uh, really soon?
Hello, Miss.
Mhm.
I
Yeah, I
can
can hear
hear
voice.
your voice. Oh, okay.
Oh, you can't hear? Wait.
Yeah,
Okay.
but now I hear.
Yeah, I think it's stable now. So, do you have any plan to watch something, or have you watched any of them? Maybe the movies or series?
I think I won't watch Avatar, but
Oh yeah.
yeah, I not start now, but
Mm-mm.
belum ngumpulin mood kayak I but just now I start watch apa yang drama di Changguk itu Samdari
Oh,
baru.
Samdari ya.
Iya, Samdari.
Oke, aku belum mulai nonton tuh bisa I haven't started yet. Jadi
I
haven't.
haven't started.
Nah, I haven't karena di have berarti ini pakainya verb 3 ya. Started yet. Jadi di sini tambah yet belum. I haven't started yet. Aku belum mulai.
I haven't started yet watch.
I haven't start. I haven't start. Kalau I haven't start belum mulai nonton, I haven't started watching it.
Watch yet.
Watching it yet.
Watching it yet.
Masih ingat ya yang ini kalau ada dua verb yang gabung ganting kayak gini, itu yang kedua harus jadi verb ing, harus jadi jiran. Kayak go shopping, love swimming. Jadi I haven't start watching it yet. Aku belum mulai nonton itu.
Kayak tadi aku ya kayak I finish watching this video. Kayak aku udah
Iya,
selesai.
benar kayak gitu. Jadi watching di sini itu bukan pekerjaan, pekerjaannya yang started, right?
Iya.
Aku belum mulai. Watchingnya jadi kata benda. Aku belum mulai menonton film. Jadi nonton filmnya itu kata benda kan. Gitu. Okay, you haven't start watching it yet. Yeah, the promotional stuff for the Avatar is very massive, right? You can see it like everywhere. The advertisement. Okay, advertisement. What do you mean of advertisement?
Advertise.
Advertisement tuh iklan.
Oh, berarti
Advertisement.
sama kayak advertising kan, advertising.
Advertising itu mengiklankan. Jadi
Right.
advertisement kalau ada kayak gini, men gitu biasanya itu adalah apa? Noun. Advertisement. Nah, advertise-nya ini itu verb-nya. Biasanya kayak misalnya ada excitement. Excitement. Excitement ini men-nya ini kan berarti menunjukkan dia noun. Excitement kebahagiaan. Kalau berbahagia kan berarti to be excited. Bahagia, merasa bahagia.
Ya.
Adjektif kan karena makanya pakai to be. Ini juga advertisement tuh iklan, to advertise tuh mengiklankan. Kalau misalnya Google-nya nggak premium, nanti kan ada kayak skip this ad. Nah, dia biasanya di singkat jadi ad. Advertisement yang maksud. Skip the ad. The Avatar movie is have a great amount of promotional stuff, like everywhere.
Ya.
In the social media, in news, like the Metro TV has the news, has the advertisement for it in the news. And I also saw in the Twitter, they also have it in MRT, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the budget for the advertisement is very big for Avatar. But I
Oh,
haven't gotten any interesting. I haven't got interested in that movie yet. So yeah, I still didn't want to watch it. I don't know. I like Avatar. I watched it when I was child, but for the live action, I don't think it will be as great as the original animation.
uh,
But
kalau
huh?
kalau aku apa ya, if I interested for Avatar because many movie in cartoon I so interested for watch in live action.
You like watch a live action movie?
Yeah.
Oke, jadi bilangnya I am interested in. Ini pakai to be ya. I am interested in. Pakai in. Aku tertarik. I'm interested in watching. Oh, you like a live action movie?
Yeah.
Yeah, I start to watch many live action when I watched Japan movie because they have many live action, right? But personally, I didn't really like live action because like they have been 2D characters in my mind, but then there is like the people who played that. Maybe some of them like didn't meet our expectations, so it's be like a really big no for me.
Oh.
Like I really like Zuko in Avatar, but I didn't really like the person who played Zuko.
Yeah.
It didn't meet my expectations, so I didn't have any interest in watching the movie.
Kalau penasaran tuh apa ya, tiba-tiba lupa.
Okay, curious.
Oh ya, curious.
To be curious.
Yeah. I want watching because I just curious the movie, not like or favorite karakter.
I'm just curious. I am. Jangan lupa pakai to be. I am just curious.
I am
ya.
just curious. I am just curious.
You're curious of how the movie goes, right? Penasaran filmnya ceritanya gimana? Yeah, it's great, but now I started to be interested in Ex Huma movie. Do you know? like the thriller movie from Korea, Kim Go Eun and
Ah,
Lee Do Yeon.
yeah, I know.
Yes, I started to put my attention on that film, but actually the first time the film is released in Indonesia, I didn't really have like
Forward.
interestment to watch that movie. But now I really want to watch that movie. I don't know why. Maybe I just FOMO,
Homo.
fears
But
of.
the rating in social media
Mm,
you just saw in Twitter or
mm-mm.
TikTok about Exuma rating
Yeah.
so great, but
Uh-huh.
we FOMO for watching that film.
I don't know. I actually didn't really like the genre, like thriller, but it's about shaman, dukun. Shaman itu dukun.
Yeah, sama.
About shaman, but looking from the rating and how people reacted to that movie, I'm really curious about that.
Yeah.
I'm afraid it's just a FOMO, but I don't know. I'm starting to get interested in that.
Nah, and I curious about Lee Do Hyun
Mm-mm.
action. I want to see and in the movie.
Actually, his action is very great. Like I have been watching many of his project in film or in drama. Yeah, I didn't expect. I expected his role to be good. It's not about like Lee Do Yoon or Kim Go Eun. Both are my favorite actually, but it's about the movie. Like,
Yeah.
why this movie is so popular?
Yeah.
Because like until now, my best movie is still Parasite.
The,
It still be my best movie.
and the first time genre
You know? Mhm.
tadi teh itu
Mm-mm.
dukun common
Oh, dukun itu bisa pakai shaman.
shaman.
Shaman itu dukun.
Oh, shaman.
Shaman.
Yeah. The first time genre shaman in bioskop movie in Indonesia.
Not really. We have like exorcism, right? Exorcism is also about shaman. Exorcism. You know, Exorcist? Sorry, but it's a Western movie. I know it's no exorcism. The Nun is also
Oh,
about shaman, actually.
no, I mean in genre movie Korean, not
Oh,
other.
Korean movie.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. For Korean movie, it's maybe like the first time in bioskop, but
Yeah.
we have like this. This is also very
I watched
booming.
this.
The Medium?
Yeah.
How about that?
I think not apa ya? Not nggak se menegangkan itu gitu, nggak sesuai sama itunya, malah kayak
Nggak
biasa aja.
menegangkan. Oke, tadi ada se ya, se. Kita kan udah belajar
Ya.
se. S bla 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 S.
S.
Kira-kira gimana? Nggak semenegangkan atau nggak semenyeramkan? Not the
Not
movie.
S.
This movie is not
This
as
not as menegangkan tuh
apa? Menyeramkan apa?
scary.
Menegangkan apa? Scary bisa, scary, menegangkan. Not as scary as what people think atau what people expected.
What people
Expected bisa.
think.
Think bisa expected. Film ini tidak seseram. Okay, not as
Seseram.
scary as what people expected. Tidak seseram yang orang-orang duga, yang orang-orang pikirkan. Kita pakai S, scary, atau S, pokoknya sini adverb atau adjective. Selain verb pokoknya. Selain verb pokoknya. Okay.
You watch the movie?
The Medium?
Yeah.
No, I don't watch because I didn't really like shaman genre.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't get the point why they like this kind of genre. But yeah, I just starting to get curious about Exhuma because the rating is very, very crazy.
Ya, ini apa ya? Kayak ciri khas in culture Thailandnya tuh ada gitu, Miss. Bener-bener Thailand. Taiwan
So
ya
what's
kalau nggak
make?
salah.
Oh no, it's Thailand. It's
Thailand
Thailand,
bener.
right? No, I think it's Thailand.
Thailand kan?
I think it's Thailand. Yeah, Thailand.
Thailand.
It's also like Korean movie. I just know it. Korean Thailand.
Aduh, I the little forget this movie, but I know the icon in this movie, yaitu penyembahan is shaman.
Okay. I just know just like also Korean movie. They have maybe I don't know. Wait. I'm getting curious about about this movie. And also like they said that this kind of movie didn't have like jump scare, like ghost jump scare, right? Because it's
Yeah.
not like a horror like we know. But it's more like the creepiness.
Yeah.
Creepy itu kayak rasa seram gitu. The creepiness in this film. So that's what's make me really curious about this. Must I watch it tonight? I'm not sure, but I want to watch it.
Yeah. I think so.
I didn't really like horror genre. I prefer a thriller or mystery than the horror. It's not because like I'm afraid, but I just didn't get it very interesting when I watched the horror movie. Except the adrenaline, like when I watch it with my friend, I can like scream out loud, something like that. So it's just the adrenaline rush, not the story itself. So I rarely watch the horror movie. How about you?
I think depends. Depends. I have a mood because the genre horror, I think I afraid in real life after watching
You're
this.
afraid? Okay.
So I
So
think
it you think?
if the watch with friends, I think I depends this movie. But if I watch lonely, I not watch that. Watch this.
Okay. Depends itu artinya tergantung ya.
Ya,
Tadi yang pertama udah benar, it depends on my mood. Tadi
depends
kayaknya
on
apa ya bilangnya ya? On aja, depends on itu artinya tergantung, bergantung. Jadi ini satu kesatuan, depends on. Depends on my mood.
my mood.
Tapi yang terakhir tadi agak salah. If I watch it with my friend, I depends to watch. Nah, itu salah. If I watch it with my friend, I will watch atau I prefer watch horror gitu nggak apa. Jadi bukan depends, karena depends itu tergantung.
Tergantung. Okay.
It depends on my mood.
It depends on my mood, but I watch with my friends. I will prepare for watch this.
Okay. You prefer to watch this, to watch the horror genre.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and then okay, and then what the genre that you like to watch?
I think action and romance, but not real romance for watch. So I think the mix genre like
Mhm.
mystery and romance, action and romance, not real romance.
Oh, so the main genre is different
Yeah.
from the okay, but you like to get romance in the subgenre. So what's your ultimate movie you like your most favorite movie ever?
Most favorite movie, I think drama K2, Ji Chang-wook main karakter.
It's a series, yeah.
Yeah,
Mhm. But
I
how about
think
the movie? It's the series, right? Like the K2 is series. So
yeah.
what's about the movie?
Oh, the movie, I think kalau jarang apa Miss?
Seldom tuh jarang.
Seldom. Oh, ya. I think I
Like I
seldom
seldom.
watch. I
Hmm?
think I seldom watch movie, but I often watch drama series. And I think if I watch movie, I watch in bioskop.
So you you will go to the cinema when you want to watch movie,
Yeah,
but you seldom watch it, and you
yeah,
prefer to watch series.
series, yes.
Okay, yeah. So, but do you have any memory of the movie that you really that really left a great impress on you? Ada yang kayak
Uh,
terkenang nggak? Left a great
yes,
impression on you.
I think I last watch in movie in cinema. Movie in Kim So Hyun, not Kim So Hyun. Siapa ya? Pokoknya pemain, bentar aku cek. I wanna check. Kim So Kim film bioskop ya. Oh, I watch the last time about the child and the main character is what? I forget the name. Kim Son Ho.
Oh wait, Kim So no, the child,
Yeah,
the
the
child.
child. The child.
Right, let's search the pronunciation. I'm not sure.
Yeah, the child.
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 Child, yeah, the child.
I actually like I don't know what the meaning of this. Let me just search the Korean title. I watched it in the cinema with my friend.
Oh, sorry, Miss.
I watched it in the cinema with my friend. This
yeah,
movie, right?
yeah, me too.
But for me, it's great, but it's not
Yeah.
left like a really great impression. Except like I finally watched Kim Sono do the acting again.
Yeah.
That just left my the impression that this movie is really great because it has Kim Sono in it, right? But
Yeah.
in terms of the story, I didn't really like it. So it's just okay, just
Yeah.
okay for me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's just like it's like a reunion movie for Kim Sono.
The branding is good. The film is not good, but the branding Kim Son Ho is
Yeah.
so great. So
Yeah.
we keep watching this film.
Yeah. Yeah, for me it's okay. It's not a good deal. As long as I can like see Kim Sono in it.
Yeah.
So
I
yeah.
think it's so plot twist in the ending.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
plot twist is cool. But actually, I didn't get it at the first. Nggak ngerti
Iya.
pas pertama. I don't
Iya.
really get it at the first. But like my friend told me that, oh my God, you didn't get it? Like he's actually didn't stick and he's actually has the plan, something like that. So oh yeah, I get it after my friend explained it to me.
Iya.
Okay, I'm really slow-witted. Slow-witted itu
Mau itu pelan.
kayak pahamnya lambat gitu loh.
Iya.
Kayak nggak peka, bisa nggak peka. Di Indonesia bisa
Nggak
peka,
ngerti
I'm
malah aku
slow-witted.
nggak ngerti. I don't understand about this film.
Like my friend told me, like, okay.
How about your favorite movie, Miss? You prefer movie or drama?
I also sell like not don't really have many movies that I have watched.
Yeah.
So my drama list is actually more than my movie list. But Parasite is still my best movie. Parasite. Have you watched Parasite?
Aku pernah dengar deh kayaknya. Oh, yes, I know.
This movie. Parasite is really great movie because they have many genre in it. Like thriller, a bit thriller, and then a bit gore, or just like a cinematic movie. They have like the social issues in it too.
Yeah.
So it's not just about the movie, but they have like many quotes or many meaningful scene in this movie. So I really like to watch it. Like I watch it 3 times in cinema by myself, like because my friend don't have any time. So okay, I just watch it by myself. I go to the cinema like 3 times, 3 different times. I buy the ticket for myself and I watch it by myself because I really like this movie. I get a fully understand about this movie after the second time or the third, I forget. But yeah, this movie is very hard to understand if you just watch
Yeah.
it like one time.
Yeah,
If you just watch it
Right.
once, you can understand it really well. So you have to watch it maybe it's 2 or 3 times.
I just want time for watch, but I asked to my friend how about this film, so jadinya aku di-spoilerin sama teman aku.
Oh, she spoiled
Yeah.
it.
Yeah,
I ask.
di-spoil it.
Jadi bukan I to ask, tapi I ask.
I asked about this film because I don't understand this film, so my friend spoiled this film.
Okay. Yeah. It is like one of the best film that I ever watched. Parasite. I really like this film. After Parasite, I don't know, but what movie that left a great impression? Oh, Elemental. It's also great. I watched it in Disney Plus,
I watched it too.
and I really I cried. I bawled my
Yeah.
eyes. I cried out loud because it's very sad. I don't know. It's just heartbreaking.
I
I don't
rewatched
know why I can.
I rewatched this film.
Or you rewatch it?
Yeah.
How many times?
4
More.
different time.
Oh my God, that's so much.
How about this
I
film?
just watch it. This film is very great. I just watch it without reading any review before or without anyone ask me to do. I just watch it because I want.
Yeah.
It just pop up in my Disney Plus, and I start to watch it. I like this kind of animation because yeah, it's colorful, it's funny, but I didn't expect to get very emotional scene.
Yeah.
But this is very good. This is very good movie. I recommend it to all my friends, and you have to watch it because you will cry after you watch it.
Yeah, like a real apa? Real film, not
Yeah,
animation atau cartoon.
because I think it's very related to our life, our real
Yeah.
world life, even though it's just animation, right? Because maybe that's why this film is left a great impression in
I
myself,
watched this film.
even though I just watch it like from my tablet. You watched
Continue.
this film?
Enggak,
Yeah, I
lanjut
have
dulu aja yang
done
Miss.
I might say. What I want to say, yeah, it left a great impression in me, even though I just watch it from my tablet, not from the cinema, not in the cinema.
You watch this movie with recommendation or something?
No, I just watch it eventually.
I recommendation in DOXO because he sing
Oh, really?
sing this movie Elementary.
Huh?
You know?
Huh? Really? I don't
Yes.
know.
Check in YouTube. Not the us, but she cover. Her cover.
Oh, he covered this song, Still the Show
Yeah, he
song.
covered the
Is it?
Sing Elementary. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, okay. It's elemental. Not elementary, but elemental.
Elemental.
Element. Dari kata
Element.
elemen. Kan elemen air dan elemen api.
Yeah.
Oh, I never know. Okay, I will check later. Oh, Dio sing that. Oh, he covered this song.
Yeah. I know in TikTok.
I didn't really like play the TikTok, so okay, I will check Dio.
Okay.
Dio cover. Yeah, but this is really good. This movie is really good. I'm crying. So sad.
Sad.
Yeah, maybe just that. I don't know. Parasite and Elemental is very strange combination, but yeah, I like that type of movie.
I think I have one recommendation.
What is it?
Like Element.
Elemental, like Elemental.
Yeah, like Elemental. On Disney juga. Apa ya? Lupa judulnya
What is
tapi.
it? Is it animation movie or
What?
like real life person?
Recommend Disney movie cartoon. White. Judulnya tuh Elemental, no. This. White Miss. Kartun Disney recommendation. Neumon bukan 2000 Earth Disney. Nah, oh, I found this movie. You watch Soul Disney? Soul.
Soul?
Yeah.
Oh, it's about the cat and the cat and the grandpa. Oh,
Yeah.
I haven't watched this. I haven't watched this.
Oh, I think
What
this
is it about?
about a life, apa ya? Menghargai kehidupan,
Hmm?
tentang menghargai kehidupan gitu. Jadi
Hmm.
dianya tuh ngejar cita-cita gitu, Miss. Ngejar
Okay, he
cita-cita
has
tapi
a goal to reach.
ya mengejar cita-cita.
Hmm. About appreciate the life. Menghargai to appreciate.
Appreciate.
Is it sad movie?
Yeah, said soon for the two season, but I think I don't know what.
Hmm. Because like the palette, the color palette is blue, so it's like
Yeah.
gloomy and sad. I don't know. Maybe
Yeah.
maybe I'll watch it when I want to cry.
Yes, I think you must watch this film because
So
tersentuh
okay.
apa ya tersentuh.
Hmm. Because it's very wait, I forget. Menyentuh hati. Menyentuh hati. What is it? Mengharukan ya.
Iya, mengharukan.
Mengharukan. Mengharukan is
Touch in your heart.
no. Mengharukan. Berharu apa?
Mengharukan ya,
Oh,
Miss.
langsung aja because it's very touch. It's
Oh,
very
very
touching.
touching.
The film is touching. Kalau misalnya aku terharu, I am touched. Oh, I am touched.
Oke.
Aku tersentuh gitu maksudnya. Ya tersentuh, bisa kan Indonesia juga aku tersentuh.
This film like elemental.
Mm-mm. Yeah, but because Elemental is about the couple, like the girl and the boy, it's more
Yeah.
sad.
Yeah,
It's more sad.
right. But so impossible and the fire and water apa bersatu gitu.
But they can unite at the end of the day. I believe they can unite bersatu, and that's why the film is made, because actually the water and fire can be together,
Yeah.
right?
It's a touch in the scene the fire and water touch.
Yeah, the fire when the there is one scene when the fire and the water is touching their
Yeah,
hand
touching.
together, and like the fire go evaporate really fast because
Yeah.
because he touched the water. But what happened after that? Oh, they start to grip each other hand, right? They
Yeah.
start to hold each other hand, and it works. Dan
Yeah.
akhirnya berhasil. But yeah, it's very touching scene. It's a touching
Uh,
scene for me.
in
And it's
awalnya I think the movie the ending movie is the water
sad.
pas waktu kebakaran kan dianya udah hanyut. I think this ending film but this movie happy ending.
Yeah, you thought it will be sad ending at the first. I
Yeah.
thought it will be sad ending at the first. Atau bisa at the first-nya taruh di depan, bisa. I thought it will be a sad ending.
Sad ending.
I thought it will be a sad ending at the
Thought, yeah.
first.
Thought.
Ya. Aku pikir.
Yeah, I thought it will be sad ending. Thought.
I thought it will be. Dia dari think ya. Jadi think, thought.
I thought it will be sad ending, but ya dari pikir ya. Think. Thought.
Dari think.
I thought it will be sad ending.
At the first.
But
At the
after,
firstnya
yeah,
tuh bisa
at the
di
first,
belakang atau bisa taruh di depan juga. At the first, koma, I thought. Kalau di belakang ya nggak usah pakai koma.
okay. Berarti at the first, I thought it will be sad ending.
It will be a sad ending.
A sad ending. Sad ending. Okay.
Yeah, the fire scene is also very important. And then the girl, the fire girl, remember that the water boy is very wait, very apa ya? Apa namanya?
Cengeng.
It's not snotty. It's not snotty. Wait, I forget. Wait. It's very gushy? No, not good. Not gushy. Oh, it's a crybaby. Yeah, right.
Oh ya,
Crybaby.
crybaby.
Crybaby itu artinya cengeng. You are such a crybaby. Itu
Yeah.
noun sih, tapi biasanya diungkapkan kayak gitu. Like
Yeah,
the
you
water
don't.
boy is such a crybaby, and then the girl start to tell a sad story with
Yeah.
their family, or they start to crying, and then the boy
Yeah.
start to crying too. It's very cute scene. Like it's very cute scene after the sad scene. It's very random. But yeah, it
Yeah.
works. Akhirnya berhasil.
Times for apa ya, menyelamatkan.
Safe, menyelamatkan tuh safe.
Oh ya. The scene time save the fire in kebakaran pas kebakaran. The water apa ya, action for save the family fire, but I think her die.
Gimana? Mau
Kirain.
menyusun kata apa?
Jadi kan
Ketika
di waktu yang di scene waktu apa kebakaran rumahnya si ceweknya, cowoknya langsung nyelamatin kan, padahal itu udah kayak mau musuhan, mau udahan karena nggak diizinin.
Oh iya.
Ya. Terus pas cowoknya nyelamatin langsung hangus kan, jadi air, jadi uap. Ternyata
When
karena
the
dia
fire is
suka
on
nangis.
fire. Ternyata dia suka nangis.
When the house is on fire.
Is on fire. On fire tuh kayak kebakar. Is on fire.
Okay.
Atau kalau misalnya di orang, itu kayak on fire tuh artinya bersemangat juga bisa.
Oh, on fire.
Jadi ada arti langsungnya, arti kamusnya, kebakar atau
Bersemangat.
ekspresi, yaitu bersemangat. I'm on fire. When the house is on fire, the water boy is safe. Try to save
The
the
water boy
fire girl. Even
tries
though,
to
bisa pakai even though they are
fire the water
about to break up. Gitu.
save the fire girl, even thought.
Ini bukan thought tapi though. Nggak ada T-nya kan?
Even though,
Even though
ya, even though they are about to break up.
they are about to something, itu maksudnya mereka akan gitu. Mereka hampir kayak gitu. Mereka hampir putus. Mereka akan putus. Even though they are about to break up.
When the house is on fire, the water boy tries to save the fire girl even though they are about to break up.
Even though they are about to break up. Ya, itu. Jadi ketika rumahnya is on fire, ini kita walaupun sebenarnya kan menceritakan lagi kan, ini harusnya kayak was kayak gitu. Tapi ini kita coba yang perfectnya, presentnya, ketika rumahnya terbakar, is on fire, the water boy mencoba menyelamatkan fire girl, walaupun even though walaupun mereka sebenarnya mau putus. Tapi habis itu ini tetap break up ya. Misalnya ini diganti was, ini diganti tried, ini diganti were, ini tetap
Were.
break up karena ini ada
Break up.
to-nya sih.
Ya.
Habis itu harus verb one.
When the house was on fire ya, jadi was on
When the
fire,
house
the
was on
water
fire.
boys tried to save the fire girl even though they were about to break up.
Yeah, they were about to break up. Even though ya kayak do way tebel
So,
gitu, though.
though,
Even
even though,
walaupun mereka akan putus.
so, walaupun. Yes.
Bisa cry baby tadi apa? Kayaknya bisa cry baby bisa wimp. Wimp tuh
Wimp.
juga Wimpy Kid tahu Wimpy Kid? Diary of Wimpy Kid.
Oh, wimp.
Wimp itu kayak coward kayak payah gitu. Bisa juga dipakai
Ya,
buat cengeng.
wimp. Ya. Cry baby
Cry
itu sama
baby,
kayak
wimp.
cry baby.
Coba kita cari thesaurus yang cry baby. Oh, winner. Kalau winner ini dia suka ngomel-ngomel.
Winner.
Ngomel-ngomel gitu. Winner.
Ada haknya ya, winner.
Ya, winner.
Winner. Complainer.
Coba bentar. Dia suka ya komplain.
Wine. Wine.
Wine.
Wine.
Oh, wine,
Wine.
sorry, wine. Wine.
Wine.
Wine.
Wine.
Winer.
Dari kata dasarnya wine ya.
Wine. Ya, kata dasarnya wine. Ini regular jadi wine. Dia kayak
Wine.
ngomel gitu. Wine tuh ngomel. Whining.
Wine.
Whining.
Wine. Approach height.
Bisa juga diartikan nangis tapi yang high pitch gitu. Nyebelin gitu, nangisnya nyebelin. Yang teriak gitu. Ini whine.
Nangis rese.
Iya. Ini kontasnya
Kayak gitu
negatif
ya.
sih kayak orang yang suka mengeluh, teriak-teriak itu whine. Whine. Nangis tuh ada macam-macam ya. Cry itu yang paling general. Bawl.
Wine.
Bawl itu
Bawl?
nangis keras.
Oh, bawl.
Bawl.
Oh.
Ball.
Bawl ya, bukan bowl. Bukan bowl mangkok. Bawl ini nangis keras. Cry out loudly. Jadi kayak nangis keras. Atau wail.
Tapi
Wail
nggak
tuh
teriak
kayak
ya, bukan kayak screaming, cry gitu.
nangis keras. Kayak kalau cry kan cry nangis biasa. Bawl tuh kayak
Gitu, histeris.
iya, histeris. Dia juga ada sinonimnya itu wail. Wailing tuh kayak meratap. Lebih kayak gitu sih kalau wail.
Wail.
Ada juga weep. Kalau cuma nangis kayak kita kan pernah nonton film tiba-tiba kayak netes aja gitu. Netes aja gitu kan. Nah, itu pakainya weep. Oh my
Wail.
God, I'm weeping. I'm weeping while
Siram bayi.
I'm weeping from this movie. Aku nangis nonton ini. Weep itu nangis kayak netes gitu air matanya.
Netes.
Weep.
Weep.
Weep. Ini verb to-nya wept, verb to-nya
Weep.
juga wept. Weep.
Weep.
Ini wept.
Weep.
Wept.
Weep.
Weep. I'm weeping. I'm weeping from this movie. Aku nangis. Aku terharu. Berarti aku sampai nangis gitu, sampai netes air matanya. Tuh. Apalagi sih
Weep.
nangis tuh. Bawl, cry, wail. Coba lihat
Tadi yang
thesaurus.
wimp juga ya, wimp. Payah, wimp.
Wimp itu, ya tapi dia lebih kayak yang payah gitu loh.
Bukan ke
Payah,
arah
orang yang
nangis
payah
banget ya.
gitu. Bukan, kayak lebih ke cengeng. Jadi kayak payah, nggak punya kekuatan gitu. Cengeng kan beda ya, cengeng.
Oke.
Gampang nangis kan kok cengeng itu maksudnya.
Cengeng. There's
Oh, sob. Sob itu nangis sampai yang sesenggukan, sob,
Sob. Sob.
sob.
Nangis parah.
Nangis sampai yang sesenggukan gitu. Itu sob.
Iya. Sob.
sob,
He sob.
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 He sobbed.
Sob.
To catch the breath audibly in a spasmodic contraction. Jadi kayak gitu. Sobbing.
To cry or weep.
With conclusive catching of the breath. Jadi kan kayak sampai nafasnya habis kan.
Catching.
Sesenggukan. Nangis sesenggukan kalau di sini. Jadi cry ada banyak. Tergantung nangisnya kayak apa. Kalau cuma netes itu weep. Kalau sampai ada ratapan-ratapan tuh bisa pakai bawl atau wail. Kalau sampai
Tapi
sesenggukan
paling
pakai
umumnya cry aja ya, Miss.
cry aja. Ada juga ini bawl once eyes out. Maksudnya once ini kita bisa ganti my eyes out gitu. Bawl my eyes out. Artinya ya tadi bawl kan nangis kencang kan.
Iya,
Nah, jadi to cry loudly especially for a long time. Jadi kayak nangis lama gitu.
nangis lama.
Bawl I usually I often use this idiom for describing when I read a sad book or I watch a sad video. I will use I bawl my eyes out.
Oh, berarti lebih seringnya bawa one eyes out.
Nah, ini diganti kayak my gitu. Once tuh maksudnya someone. Atau misalnya she bawl her eyes out gitu. Maksudnya adalah dia nangis gitu.
Dia
Ini
nangis.
biasa kalau misalnya kayak bikin status tweet or something, I will definitely use this idiom karena terdengar lebih natural, terus kayak lebih kuat aja sense-nya. Kayak kita menyertain, oh video ini tuh sedih. I bawl my eyes out from watching this video, from reading this novel. I ever
I
bawl
bawl.
myself out when I read novel, and I read it on my phone, so it's like ebook. And I don't know why I bawl my eyes out that night because like the novel is very sad. Contohnya di
One
sini ada
eyes
contoh kalimatnya. It's the saddest book I've ever read. I bawled my eyes out at the end. Contoh
I
kalimatnya di sini.
bawl my eyes. I bawl my
I
eyes
bawled
out.
my eyes. Eyes, ya.
Eyes.
Eyes. Kan
I bawl my eyes out.
Mm-mm.
Out at the end. The
At
end.
the end.
Yeah.
I bawl my eyes out at the end.
At the end.
Aku nangis di
Aku
akhir.
nangis. Ayo.
Maksudnya nangis setelah selesai bukunya gitu. Bawls one's eyes out. Ini idiom. Jadi kan kita juga ada punya idiom yang wear the same shoes. We are on the same boat. Atau misalnya kalau misalnya coba ngertiin orang lain tuh put yourself on her shoes kayak gitu.
Put yourself in.
Artinya kayak, coba kamu
Dua
rasain
idiom.
jadi dia. Yang tadi yang we are in the same shoes atau we are in the same we wear the same shoes atau we are on the same boat, itu artinya kita satu nasib.
Yeah. Same shoes. We wore the same shoes.
The same page juga bisa. Both page sama.
Same page. Same page.
Same page ini lebih ke setuju gitu sih. Kalau
Oh.
same boat ke satu nasib gitu.
Kalau ya kan kalau realize tuh kan kata Miss juga bisa untuk mewujudkan.
Iya,
Tapi
realize.
biasanya lebih cocoknya kalau realize buat apa?
Menyadari.
Menyadari
I
ya.
realize it. Menyadari. Tapi bisa
Soalnya
juga
tadi
mewujudkan nih, accomplish bisa.
accomplish.
Merealisasikan gitu kan kalau di Indonesia. Accomplish itu kayak menyelesaikan. Accomplish kayak complete. Jadi accomplish itu menyelesaikan. Contohnya ini, finally realized her goal. Akhirnya dia mencapai tujuannya, mewujudkan tujuannya.
Menyelesaikan, mencapai.
Bisa artinya bisa itu menyelesaikan tujuan. Gain juga bisa, gain itu mendapatkan, hampir sama kayak accomplish ya. Gain mendapatkan, realize a large profit, mendapatkan profit yang besar.
Nah, kalau
Bisa.
kayak aku mewujudkan impianku. Terus tadi ada di video yang itu arti yang aku mewujudkan impianku tuh I can make that happen ya, bukan kayak I realize the
I can make
goals.
apa? I can make apa?
Kan kalau awalnya aku taunya kalau misalkan mewujudkan impian tuh I realize the goals. Tapi tadi pas di yang video yang thinking about English itu
Mm-mm.
I can make that happen.
Bisa. Realize juga bisa kalau nggak salah. Cuman biasanya dia kayak untuk menyadari kayak gitu. Tapi sama
Lebih
artinya
cocoknya ya.
bisa juga. Bisa ini kayak yang finally realize her goal, dia juga akhirnya dia mencapai tujuannya kan, mencapai cita-citanya. Finally realize her goal. Bisa make it happen, finally make it happen juga bisa sama aja artinya. Mewujudkan itu. Right.
I realize. Oke.
Oh, yang ini kan yang saya pakai yang ini yang menyadari. Be fully aware of. Sadar secara penuh. Did not realize the risk she was taking. Tidak menyadari resiko yang dia ambil.
Dia yang ambil.
Tapi yang lain tuh artinya ya mendapatkan, mendapat, mencapai gitu.
Oke.
So it's okay, bisa. Pakai aja yang paling, sebenarnya pakai yang cara kita tahu adalah dengan kita banyak mendengar, oh banyak orang tuh ngomongnya kayak gini. Untuk mengekspresikan ini berarti lebih sering pakai realize atau lebih sering pakai make it happens. Kita harus dengar dari native-nya sendiri lewat konten. Sebenarnya paling gampang, speaking from my experience, karena kita sama-sama sedang belajar bahasa ya, cara listening terbaik itu sebenarnya cari yang kita suka kan, yang pertama. Yang kita suka. Nah, yang kita suka kan yang tahu kita sendiri. Di YouTube itu bisa kayak dicari aja. Saya suka apa? Traveling, let's say. Let's say traveling vlog. Pasti akan dalam bahasa Inggris karena kan seringnya pakai bahasa Inggris ya
Ya.
orang-orang. Nah, terus cari yang dia emang native English kayak misalnya yang ini gitu. Nah, nanti kalau misalnya kecepatan, kadang kan orang ngomong cepat ya.
Hello, everybody, and welcome.
Iya.
Dan kita nggak bisa ngontrol gitu dia mau ngomong secepat apa. Diturunin coba ke 0,75. Turun ke 0,75. Tapi tetap kita pertahankan, coba kita dengerin. Dia ngomong apa sih, terus dia ngapain sih sebenarnya.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Call Me Chris. You could
It's okay, kayak selama kita bisa ngerti, lanjut terus. Atau misalnya nggak bisa ngerti, kita buka subtitle. Kadang subtitle ada yang otomatis, dan itu kadang nggak benar juga. Tapi kadang ada yang disertain di sini. In English ya, jangan in Indonesia. In English dulu.
Ya.
Sampai kita ngira-ngira sebenarnya dia ngomong apa sih. Karena kalau misalnya ada kata yang kita nggak tahu, kalau misalnya dia emang penting, nanti dia akan diulang-ulang terus dalam video itu. Terus kita akan nebak,
Iya.
oh secara konteks artinya ini. Begitu kita nggak ngerti secara konteks apa sih dari tadi banyak sering disebutin, tapi kita nggak ngerti, baru buka kamusnya.
Iya.
Buka kamusnya,
Kalau
oh tentang itu.
kalau kayak diturunin kecepatannya, dia kan kita sambil ngelihat cara dari mulutnya. Jadi
Iya,
kayak nggak sinkron gitu. Iya, kadang pusing jadinya emang suka pakai
Oh,
yang
tapi kan
translate.
itu ya, apa dia ngikutin
Call
kan?
Me Chris, and you are looking extra
Nggak
scrumptious
fokus gitu.
today, darling.
Oh ya bebas sih.
Jadi
Kadang ada
ke-distract
video
gitu.
yang dia gampang banget, dia bisa menyesuaikan gitu
Iya,
temponya. Karena dia ngomongnya nggak terlalu cepat. Ada yang emang jadi aneh gitu.
yang ini yang
Coba cari
masih
aja yang paling
bisa
pas.
Firna ikutin,
Gimana?
yang video Miss Kasih itu masih bisa aku ikutin. Kalau ini kan tadi cepet ya karena dianya refleks ngomong kayak ngomong sehari-hari. Kalau yang kemarin yang thinking about translating
Iya,
English itu
cepat dia
kan
ngomongnya.
normal ya
Iya,
ngomongnya pelan-pelan.
iya, karena dia emang ngajar kan, dia kan konsepnya ngajarin gitu.
Iya,
Nah, dicari aja yang paling pas. Nanti kalau ketemu, Oke, nah kayak gini juga kadang ini seru loh dilihat. My life as a flight attendance vlog. Itu kayak
Kayak
seru sekali
sehari-harinya.
jadi flight attendants. Iya, dia nge-vlog. Jadi kan dia pindah-pindah terus kan tinggalnya. Terus dia nge-vlog gitu. It's like a great video to watch and it's in English. Nah, ini juga lambat sih kayaknya ngomongnya.
It goes down so well. Hi.
The accent is a bit Aussie accents. Ini kayak aksen Australia. Jadi sekarang kita belajar aksen orang tuh beda-beda.
Instead of just laying around and watching series and doing laundry and so on, I thought I'm going to be quite productive.
Nah, ini lebih
And
santai
also
dan ini
thought that
kayaknya
it would
bisa
be a nice
diikutin.
idea
Atau
to
misalnya kita boleh sambil
vlog
yang
these 3
automatic
days to show you
caption,
all
tapi
what
perlu diingat kalau ini tuh nggak 100% benar ya kalau automatic action. Automatic caption kayak gini. Kalau bisa cari dia yang vlognya itu banyak tulisannya
Ya,
gitu. Dia vlognya banyak tulisannya. If you like the ini kayak podcast sih, tapi dia bahasnya tuh macam-macam. Do you like criminal genre? Criminal or maybe like something mystery genre? I have like my favorite podcaster. Her name is Stephanie Su. Is Stephanie. Dia kayak bikin podcast tapi di YouTube juga ada. Dan dia
ya.
bahas kayak dia orang Korea sebenarnya. Dia bahas banyak kejadian-kejadian di Korea atau kayak tinggal.
Deh.
Okay, wait a minute.
Oke.
I don't know. The internet is a bit strange lately. Tapi dia ngomongnya agak cepet sih kalau yang ini. Tapi mungkin bisa kalau misalnya kita suka suka apanya, suka bahasannya kan kayak tetap pingin nonton kan. Jadi kayak penasaran tentang apa ya,
Stephanie Su.
gimana ya gitu. Stephanie Su is pretty. She's a great storyteller. Dia bagus banget dalam
Like Nancy
menyampaikan.
Judge.
Yeah, like Nancy Judge, but it's like a podcast, like a bit podcast. Jadi kayak style itu podcast gitu. Tapi dia tetap nyertain kayak video atau kayak foto-foto pendek kayak gitu-gitu juga. Mungkin ini dia juga punya kayak short. Mungkin kalau misalnya belum bisa yang panjang, coba shortnya dulu, bisa ngerti, nanti bisa baru pindah ke yang oh my god.
Wow. Soalnya ada tulisannya juga ya, Miss.
Kalau kalau short ada, tapi kalau enggak, kalau yang video full enggak ada. Tapi
Oh.
kayaknya dia ada. Totalnya kayaknya nggak ada deh. Sebenarnya ini nggak aku rekomendasikan untuk yang masih pre-intermediate ya, karena dia ngomong cepet banget yang pertama, tapi bahasanya tuh asik, bahasanya tuh menarik gitu loh. Jadi kayak oke. Tapi kayak
Bagus
Stephanie
ya.
Su tuh bisa dijadiin 0,75 deh. I mean like itu nggak akan mengganggu karena dia pelafalannya tuh jelas sih gitu. Coba bentar. Karena kayaknya kalau kayak gini kita beneran harus nemuin video yang kita suka. Cerita yang kita suka, bukan cuma kayak kalau enggak tuh pasti boring dan males kita nontonnya.
Yang
Like I
ada
did
nempel
that.
gitu ya, Miss.
Harusnya kayak yang kita penasaran terus kayak pengen tahu aja ceritanya gitu. Dia kadang juga sambil mukbang, pokoknya tidak membosankan. Contohnya yang misalnya ini ya.
Random ya, kayaknya random video.
Dia tuh punya tiga akun. Yang
Oh.
pertama kayak buat bahas movie, yang kedua buat bahas mystery, yang ketiga buat bahas kayak celebrity life. No, not sure. Ini kayak Rotten Mango, ada banyak dia. Coba aja cari kayak Stephanie Su, dia tuh kayaknya udah besar kok, itu berbesar gitu. Coba kita dengerin pakai 0,75 ya.
Oke.
Nah, dia kecil, nggak cepet. Karena ini kayak ini adalah channel yang misteri. Jadi dia bawaannya juga ngikutin pelan-pelan. Dia
Ngikutin
masih oke kok
ini.
ininya. Karena biasanya aku
Oke.
kok nonton itu tak cepetin jadi ini malah. Karena ini lama banget tuh 1 jam 12 menit kayak lama banget. Ini malah kalau tonton tak cepetin jadi kayak 1:25 atau 1:05 gitu. Karena dia ngomongnya lambat. Bahasanya nggak terlalu susah sih. Cuman kalau misalnya dia lagi ngomong yang tentang sesuatu yang populer, maksudnya kayak artis atau apa, dia cepet banget ngomongnya. But it's okay. Karena kita latihan kan.
Ya, ekspresif juga.
Kalau ekspresif juga dia bagus, storytellingnya bagus. Karena kita butuh sesuatu yang bisa jelasin gitu loh. Pokoknya nanti kayaknya bisa diatur kok ini sisinya apa, diatur diatur ukurannya. Sisi ini sebenarnya bisa berfungsi kalau misalnya ada 1-2 kata yang kita nggak nangkep. Jadi kayak nggak yang baca terus gitu. Tapi kalau misalnya tadi dia ngomongnya kayak apa sih, terus lihat sisinya apa dia.
Oke.
Secara pronunciation dia oke karena dia juga tinggalnya di US. Jadi kita bisa we can depend on her pronunciation to learn new words. Secara storytelling juga dia oke. Terus cerita-ceritanya juga jarang dibahas YouTuber Indonesia gitu. Jadi kayak belum pernah dengar sama sekali cerita yang ini, which is good.
Oke.
It's very interesting YouTube channel, and I subscribe all to her channel because she's very consistent in uploading her videos. Jadi kayak update terus gitu. Tinggal dipilih aja kayak mana sih yang bikin penasaran. Sebenarnya biasanya penasaran lewat itu sih, lewat YouTube Reels, YouTube Shorts. Terus kayak ini bahas apa akhirnya ditonton. Coba jadi kepoin Stephanie Su ini. Karena dia pakai Inggris juga kan, which is good.
Oke. Editingnya juga kayak ya hampir sama kayak Nancy Judge
Iya.
gitu, menarik nggak
Iya
bosan.
mirip. Bagus ini yang misteri, apalagi dia ngomongnya pelan-pelan banget kok. Terus kayak dia
Iya.
ekspresif, terus kadang dia kayak sama suaminya gitu, nanti kayak suaminya nimpalin, kamu tahu kok kayak gini, terus nanti suaminya nimpalin, jadi kayak dua arah gitu loh diskusinya.
Oh,
Seru, bagus. Coba dikepoin aja karena
oke.
as
Oke.
I actually tried this method before, like for learning Korean. I my teacher gave me the recommendation for a YouTube channel. They also, it's from SBS. They also like talk about mystery or criminal or maybe like the Korean history events in Korea without subtitle. But I just doing this for like 2 weeks, and I can get the whole conversation when I watch it like every day. Karena yang pertama
Oke.
itu kasusnya kita suka, terus karena kan kosakatanya kan muter-muter di situ kan biasanya kalau kasus kriminal tuh kayak pelaku,
Ya.
tempat kejadian, waktu kejadian, terus kayak tragedi gitu-gitu. Pertamanya emang kayak banyak banyak nyatet kosakata pasti. Ketika ketemu yang kita nggak tahu, kita catat, kita cari artinya. Tapi habis itu kita belajar in konteks. Oh, konteksnya apa sih? Kira-kira ini artinya apa? Begitu nggak tahu,
Oke.
baru dicatat. Pertama-tama capek, tapi lama-lama kayak akhirnya kita bisa ngerti. Gitu. Memang
Iya,
harus konsisten. Makanya kita harus cari cara yang kita suka. Salah satunya ini.
betul.
Oh, by the way, do you like Nancy Judge too?
Ya,
Oh,
I
really?
love
I also like. I'm her
I
long time. I am her long
and
stand fans.
I
Mhm.
watch. Ya.
You watch? You watch?
Oh, he was married.
Oh yeah, she was married
Yes,
suddenly.
I watch.
Mhm.
Ya. Ya, sebenarnya.
Yeah, she is married suddenly. Ya tiba-tiba nikah, and then yeah, everybody's in shock.
Ya.
Okay, you can check
Karena baru
her.
kemarin kan ada kasus
Iya,
itu ya, Miss.
iya. But it's not a new case. It has been 2 years ago. Her boyfriend, right?
Ya,
You talk about her ex-boyfriend. Her ex-boyfriend?
ex-boyfriend.
Yeah.
He get
Actually,
money, Nancy Judge.
yeah, and also her ex has an affair, cheat
Yeah.
on her. But actually they're very cute though at the first. But yeah, I can stand the cheater. So
Yeah.
it's very great decision to just cut him off. Yeah, but it's been a long time since Nancy Judge is broke up with him, and now she's married.
Yeah.
Time flies really fast. Okay, since you like Nancy Judge, so I think you will like Stephanie Su too. You can check in Stephanie Su or check in Rotten Mango
Okay.
because this is very good, and because we both love Korean, she actually like have many case from Korea, originally from Korea, and also from worldwide, like American, Australia, or something. Also India. She did a really great research to every case. So every story she tell us, which is good. Ya, walaupun
Okay.
ini agak lama sebenarnya, tapi coba aja cari yang paling menarik makanya. Jadi jangan yang kayak begitu dia bosenin, langsung cari yang paling itu aja, yang paling kita tahu. Atau misalnya dia punya kasus kayak Sewol, tahu kapal Sewol?
Yeah.
Kapal Sewol, tahu? Nah, itu
Yes,
kan
I know.
udah sering dibahas YouTuber Indonesia kan? Udah sering dibahas dan kita kayak
Indonesia
pernah dengar
pernah.
gitu. Oh, jadi kayak dia
Nancy
pas dia
Judge
bahas
juga pernah
tuh,
bahas ya.
Nestia juga pernah bahas. Jadi kayak pas kita dengerin dia cerita tuh, beberapa tuh udah langsung nyantol gitu loh. Oh maksudnya ini, oh ini yang ini. Nah itu juga cara yang bagus. Cari kasus yang misalnya kita udah pernah tahu dikit, terus kita dengerin full in English. Gimana? Apakah kita masih ngerti atau enggak? Harusnya sih ngerti karena kita tahu sebenarnya udah tahu ceritanya. Di sini cuman kayak menambah wawasan gitu, kayak dia nambahin cerita-cerita yang belum kita tahu. Kayak gitu.
Yeah.
That's a good, it's a good way to learn English in a fun way.
Okay.
Bisa lebih seru lagi belajar. Okay, for the homework,
Okay.
ya homework itu kita akan menulis paragraf dalam bahasa Inggris of course. Bebas sih, maksudnya kayak paragraf. Ini topiknya mau ditentuin atau mau topik bebas? Kayak dulu.
Tentuin aja karena kalau misalnya bebas nggak ada challenge-nya gitu, Miss.
Oke, ditentuin. Kalau ditentuin bisa summary aja sekalian. Jadi, coba lihat satu video in English ya, tapi jangan pakai bahasa Indonesia. Karena tujuan kita adalah dapat vocabulary baru, terus kita aplikasikan di tulisan. Pilih satu video apapun, mau orang vlog kayak mau kayak video kayak gini, dia cerita kasus, mau cerita video apapun, nanti dibikin summary, satu paragraf aja. Boleh diketik, boleh ditulis tangan, up to you. Tapi intinya merangkum isi video itu. Video tentang apa, ceritakan apa gitu. Diperhatikan juga kayak kapan kita pakai past tense, kapan kita pakai present, gitu ya.
Oke, Miss.
Diperhatikan itunya, terus jangan lupa spellingnya juga, jadi kayak ejaan-ejaannya. Nanti coba cek kamus aja kalau misalnya susah.
Oke.
Terserah bebas. Berarti kita ketemu lagi. Wait, let me
Senin.
check. Senin ya? Masih
Ya.
masih cukup ya? Senin Pak? Oh iya. Oh belum dikirim yang baru ya? Karena ini kan terakhir, pertemuan terakhir.
Iya.
Oke, nanti aku kirim link yang baru hari Senin sama
Masih kalau misalkan ada jadwal rubah juga paling diobrolin lagi ya, Miss.
Kemarin yang jadwal aslinya Senin sama apa?
Senin sama Selasa. Tapi kalau mau
Senin sama
ganti jadi
Selasa.
Selasa Rabu
Iya,
juga nggak apa-apa sih, Miss.
mau berarti batch besok mau Senin Selasa apa Selasa Rabu?
Selasa Rabu aja deh, Miss.
Oke, Selasa Rabu ya. Berarti kita ketemu lagi hari Selasa. Masih ada banyak waktu untuk nonton video dan juga bikin rangkuman. Nggak usah panjang-panjang nggak apa, tapi semakin panjang semakin bagus sih. Jadi kayak kita bahasnya bisa
Panjang, bisa
oke
banyak.
gitu besok pas pertemuan besok. Kayak oh ya pokoknya sampai bisa menyertakan semuanya lah gitu.
Oke.
Oke.
Tapi
Jadi kita
kalau
untuk
ganti
batch ini kan
Selasa
udah
Rabu
selesai. Batch
aman ya,
selanjutnya
Miss?
itu
Untuk Selasa Rabu
aman
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 kan?
aman sih. Kalau pagi aman. Jam 10 kan?
Iya.
Jam 10 kan? Iya, jam 10 aman. Selasa Rabu
Oke,
aman.
Miss.
Oke, kalau jam 10 masih aman kok. Oke ya, PR-nya itu kalau ada pertanyaan bisa ke WA dan juga kita targetnya untuk batch selanjutnya bisa aktif ya, lebih aktif untuk outputnya yaitu speaking and also writing. Karena kita belum sempat writing sama sekali dari kemarin. Oke, thank you Kak Firna. If you have any question, like don't be hesitate to contact me. I will answer it as soon as possible. And for this class, I will wrap it until here. Thank you so much for your attendance and see you on Tuesday. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you, Miss. Have a
Yeah,
good
thank you very
day.
much. Have a good day
Okay.
too.